Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to cut lemongrass. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks so much for watching It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. If this is your first time watching, please do me a favor, go down to the bottom right corner there and hit the subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well lemongrass is basically a shrub-like herb that is found over in the eastern part of the world. It is used to impart flavor into soups and stews and stir-fries and curries and salads. It has, it's good for like lemon zest flavor. It's also a little bit peppery too. But we're going to go ahead and get into the kitchen here and we're going to show you how to cut it up. Alright, well first thing you want to do is you want to identify the nub down here on the end, the foot part of it. And you want to just go ahead and get rid of it. It's kind of, and you can see that we've gotten that off. This is kind of tough and you can't really use it. And then you want to just take these outer leaves off and go up to about where it starts changing color. And you can get rid of that as well. And then you want to cut it by lengthwise. And you can see, and you want to just take these outer leaves off. And you want to keep what is soft in here. Now there's really not a whole lot you can do with this stuff that you've cut off. It's very tough and very brittle. It doesn't add anything really to the dish, but you can boil it or braise it to impart some of that fragrance into the liquid, and then use that liquid to you know, add into your stir fry or into a soup or a broth or some kind of marinade if you want, but or tea. But I would not recommend putting this in there. There's no way you're going to cook this down to break it down enough to eat. Cut that up. Now there is the chopped up lemongrass. You can go ahead and mince this up even more, but this is good in your stir fries, marinades, salads, soups, anything you want to add this to that calls for lemon zest as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like this video, leave a comment below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching It's Only Food. We'll see you next time.